Right, they're experiencing their first case here in Nassau County, but the advice we're hearing from emergency management officials is largely the same. Wash your hands, wipe down surfaces, and keep away from people who you know are sick. Counties in Northeast Florida and Southeast Georgia are dealing with their first cases of coronavirus. A 29-year-old Charlton County woman got tested. It came back preliminary positive. Now health officials are tracking down anyone who took care of her to make sure they're okay. The hospital says a second patient was also tested, but results have not been finalized. Nassau and Alachua County are also treating two patients who tested positive for coronavirus. They're both 68 years old. In Alachua, it's a woman who was visiting from Georgia. In Nassau, it's a man whose case is travel-related, but state officials aren't disclosing where he traveled to. Meanwhile, nursing homes and medical facilities continue to tighten the rules around visitors. Susan Sherman says for the last week, she's had to answer additional questions ahead of visiting her mom at the Fernandina Rehabilitation and Nursing Home facility.
I think they're doing a great job. They have signs out on the doors and they have hand sanitizer and they make you sign papers whether you've been, traveling or not.
Today we spoke to Nassau County officials who say the man who tested positive is now isolated and he'll remain in isolation until cleared.
It's always a concern of who they came in contact with. The Florida Department of Health, when somebody has been confirmed to have this virus, epidemiology gets involved and they start backtracking the people that they've come in contact with. If it is determined that somebody has come in contact with this particular individual, they will be contacted by the Department of Health.
And health officials tell us they're already in the process of asking around and contacting the people who were in contact with that one case of that 68-year-old man here in Nassau County. But again, the advice is largely the same. Just continue to wash your hands, continue to wipe down surfaces, and keep away from sick people. The advice is different, though, if you're in that at-risk group, if you have a compounding health risk, or if you're older, they are asking that you avoid large crowds. Reporting live in Nassau County, Kelly Wiley, Channel 4, the local station.